Cat Food is a first-person story game. During gameplay, we expect players to interact with certain props to move the story along. For example, in the first scene of our game, the players are supposed to enter the room and see their cat jump in through the window. The cat attempts to close the window and is unsuccessful. The story literally cannot progress until the player comes to this revelation and takes the action of closing the window. There is no dialogue. We have three signifiers for this: the animation of the cat trying to close the window, the sounds of the cat, and the lighting which frames the scene. But all three of these had faults. The cat is black, and so is everything outside the window. Its silhouette is obscured, so the action is not very readable. The cat makes sounds, but the player could be running the game without audio. So this is not reliable. We had multiple sources of light in the scene, so it wasn't particularly pointed. This meant that most of the expectations we had of the player could be lost in the subtlety of it all. This problem was pervasive, and during playtests, I observed people aimlessly roaming across rooms trying to brute force by clicking on everything they see. So here are the solutions I considered. The first one, change all the animations and lighting so everything was absolutely perfect. Second one was having text on the screen telling players what to do. And third was an objective marker that lists out tasks to complete. In the end, this is what I did. The game has a list of canon events. These are interactions that permanently progress the story. After each of these actions, a timer starts. If the player does not complete the expected action within a minute of this, the object lights up in red. This is a last resort, and its use case is primarily limited to when all other signifiers fail and the player is fully lost. So now the window lights up in red.